Hi guys, it's YOLO Ninja, and today we are going to be playing a bit of Call of Duty Black Ops 3. Now the last time I played this, well it wasn't the last time I played it, but it was the last time I uploaded a video on it. The first time. Well, it was actually my first ever video. It was unlocking Dark Matter in this game. So yeah, and I'm playing it again. And yeah, so I'm a higher level and everything now. Because, like I said, I'll put in the description that unlocking Dark Matter was actually in 2016. And now I've got loads of hero gear. And of course I've still got the Dark Matter. Haven't reset, I would never do that. And yeah, I've got the Marshals, Dark Matter. They look pretty nice. So yeah, here are the Marshals. I've got quite a few DLC weapons actually. A lot of melee, and not a lot of melee weapons, and a lot of them are Dark Matter as well. So we're gonna be playing gun game, just because I'm a bit. Oh, okay, just one other guy. Well, I'm a big fan of gun game actually. I don't know, I really like it, and I'm not the biggest fan of Infinite War. I get Infinite Warfare's alright, but like Call of Duty now, it's all boost jumps and yeah. Boost jumps and stuff, and we want the boots on the ground. We want boots on the ground again, and hopefully we'll get it in Call of Duty 2017. Hopefully, but yeah. So, gun game, very fun. I love gun game.
Gun game.
Oh, they're on 50 already, and I'm lagging. Already, I'm lagging. Help me. Oh no. No. Oh, what? Right, I think I might go and find a different game. So we are back in gun game, and we have found a different game. Hopefully, hopefully it's a better game, and it's not lagging too much.
Target.
What? No, that wasn't the guy in the corner.
Down.
That was a bit of a, well, that was, what noise did I just make? Whoa. Oh my god. Hi guys. Ooh, only just. Ooh, damn. There's a guy over here. Oh my god, I just did like somersaulted. Nicely done. Yeah, that was never gonna happen.
They're gone.
Okay, this is not going well. Oh my god, what? This is really not going well. Yes, this is. No. Oh. Oh my god, they're everywhere. Oh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wow. Yay. Meh. Got him. He's over here. Come on. Yes. Low. Yay. Oh my god. He's hiding over here. No, oh god, no. Oh my god. Come here.
Dead.
Got him. Yay. Again. Where is he? Okay. Oh, okay.
Kill.
Meh. No, no,
Threat
no,
neutralized.
no. Oh my god, they're like one gun away. Oh my god. Oh, quick scar. Okay. Nah, come on. Come on, no! Oh, he was gonna knife me or he was gonna punch me then. That was... Oh my...
Mission failed.
What? No. 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 What? He one hit me. I wasn't even that low on health. I'm done. I'm done. I can't.
Get back to boot camp.
I'm done. I'm done.